Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to look good on video conferencing in Zoom. After I do my 5-minute quick tutorial, then we'll move into some tips and tricks to help you look your best on camera. But before we get into that, if you're new here, my name is Maria Luisa. Welcome to my channel. Here on my channel, I upload videos every week regarding beauty and fashion, and my goal is to make you look your best. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to put on a headband. I don't know, I curled my hair and I ended up with the Farrah Fawcett curl. So I feel like Charlie's Angels. Pachoo! Where's Charlie?
But I took them away from all that, and now they work for me. My name is Charlie.
Can't find my other headband, so cat ears it is. So see if that flattens a little bit this Farrah Fawcett curl I got going here. So to quickly get into the video, is all you're going to need is about 5 tools and 1 brush. Yes, that you heard me correctly. So to start off with, I recommend using a CC cream, and this one is one I love. It's called it's the CC cream from It Cosmetics. It has 50 SPF, which is great. So what I recommend doing is putting a little bit on your hand, and there you go. It was just a little bit, and it color corrects. It looks natural. It's a very comfortable formula. If you want something that's a little bit more affordable that I love, that I've just started using, it's the all-in-one foundation from No. 7, and this is a drugstore brand. I will link that down below as well. Alright, so then after that, I have a bronzer here, and this is from Physicians Formula. So all you have to do is put a little bit here to bronze your face, and there. Grab 1 brush and get that in there. So now you've got a little bit of bronzer. If you want to put it, if you have time and you want to, you can do your neck. Otherwise, you've got bronzer all done. And then I have this little one that I got as a sample, but totally recommend it. It's from Milk Makeup and Milk Cosmetics, I think it is. And this is what color is this? And this color is Work, W-E-R-K. Anyway, you take this, and this is lips and cheek, and all you have to do is put some here. And blush, cream blush is just the best for making our skin look hydrated. And then we take the same brush and put some on, take that same brush and put some on your eyelids. So there we go, that's the cheeks. And then Brow Blade by Urban Decay. Beautiful, it's got 2 sides to it. It's got a pencil and a felt tip, and you can use a felt tip if you like to have like the real brush strokes, just like so. And it does beautifully, those brush strokes, as you can see. And, oops, got the wrong cap, wrong side. Or you could just use a pencil if you want to fill in your brows, like so. And you just do that quickly, good to go. I like to brush them out a little bit. And then this little stick from NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Eye Pencil is really nice because it has, it's kind of like as a liner and eyeshadow all in one. They got, NYX has different colors. You can find this at your local drugstore. It's very soft formula. You can just spread with your fingers. There we go. That's done. And finally, your mascara. Again, you want your eyes to pop on camera. So this one is from this one is Lash Princess from Essence. I swear this this mascara is like $2.50. Now my lashes are going to look ridiculous. Just ignore that, because I'm one of those that is caught in quarantine that cannot go to the her lash appointment. But what are you going to do? And then the same Milk one You just put that on your lips. It's a nice, comfortable formula. You can use it for your lips or your cheeks, but it's a really pretty pink color. Or also an alternative is e.l.f. just came out with these. They're like they're called sheer stick, and they have color on them, and they're really pretty, as you can see. And they're kind of like between a lip balm, and it's just kind of a wash of color, and they look so pretty. So that is it. That is the look. See, simple, easy, quick, 5 things, 1 brush, 5 tools. That is it for the makeup. So tip number 1 to look good on camera is, and I'm sure you've heard this, lighting. You definitely want to be in the light facing you wherever you can. I have a ton of lights here because it's my filming studio, but wherever you can, if you can sit in front of a window where the light is actually facing you, not coming from the back, then that would be the most optimal way to be on camera, to look good, because it lights up your face. People can see you more clearly, and it definitely is a lot more flattering. And for tip number 2, to look good on camera, you want your camera, wherever it is, if it's on your laptop or if you're using your app on your phone, you want to make sure that your camera is either like this or a little bit higher. You don't want to be looking down at the camera. Why? Because our second chin comes out, and it happens to everybody. No, it doesn't matter what size you are. If you look down, you're gonna have that second chin. So if you want to look good, then you want it to be at this straight ahead or a little bit up higher, where you're looking up a little bit up. That way we're not gonna show our second chin. You can, if you're using your app on your phone, I just recently purchased this cool little gadget. It comes in this. It's a super adorable, and again, I will link that in the comment section below. And this is called a dop. It's a dop. First, you want to place it on. You can either use anywhere that you can use, like suction or a board. I don't know that you want to do it. You just put that on the wall or on a mirror, whatever, and then you can just clip your phone to it, and voila. So I think this is a very nifty tool, especially if you're using, you know, your Zoom app and you're able to find a place where you can, you know, put that up. Tip number 4 is what you're wearing. Just make sure that you wear I think a solid color would be nice. Either can be any, but nothing too loud, no flowers, no pajama polka dots, anything like that. Just so that when you're seen on camera, you're not distracting from what you guys are doing or whoever's watching the video conference. And last tip is this, which I think it's important because I don't wash my hair every day. I don't know about you guys, but I have highlights and I can't wash my hair every day, and I don't want to look like a rag on a video conference. So this is from IGK. I totally recommend it. It's so good. It's called First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. And you just take it. I just washed my hair yesterday, so I'm not going to do that. But you just take it and you spray it in here. Wait a few seconds and massage. You can, you know, brush it through. It will give you some volume so that your hair looks nice and clean and fresh. And that's it. So I hope you like the quick tutorial and the tips. I hope they're useful to you. If you know of anybody else that this video might be able to help them, please share it with them. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Wait a few seconds, you know, right there at your roots, right. Scrub your hair, you know, just massage your hair, not scrub your hair. At home, working, the majority of us, oh no.